Good morning from Japan. So today I'm going for a local bushwalk at a place called Nanataki, which is famous because it's a frozen waterfall. It's about -13 here this morning, about -6 or 7 right now. But before I go anywhere, one of the important things to do in Japan is to have a canned coffee to start the day. Hopefully we don't meet anybody on the way down. The sign there that says enter at your own risk. So they don't regularly plough this area here. And it's a good place to get stuck as well. Alright, so I have started the walk. It's a beautiful day. It's cold but there's no wind or anything, a little bit of snow. Looks like there's one person in front of me. You can see some ski tracks, but otherwise the footprints are old footprints. Glad I got my snowshoes, it's pretty soft. Could probably do it without snowshoes, but it's hard going, you know. It's like walking in the soft sand at the beach. It's hard work, and especially with all this gear. So definitely the snowshoes help, but at the same time they're not particularly easy either. You can hear I'm pretty puffed and I'm like 3 minutes in. Okay, I'm about 1 hour in. I must have made really good time. And I'm almost there. This is one of my favourite bits here. It's where you go into the pine forest. Look at that, it's just beautiful. I'm here at Nanataki frozen waterfall and it is beautiful. And there's one other guy here, he's got his skis here. That was obviously who was in front of me this morning. I made it, Nanataki frozen waterfall. I've got my gear here. I've got my little penny stove, a little alcohol stove, which is like a Trangia. Made that out of a Coke can. So I'm going to spark this up, make a cup of coffee, fly the drones and get home. That's it, I'm heading back home. It's freezing cold. It got even colder all of a sudden and it started to snow. And everything is frozen. None of my batteries are working, my GoPro's dead. As soon as I flew the drone, I just got covered in snow and couldn't see through the camera and crashed it instantly. So, no good on the drone, but it was nice to see the frozen waterfall and enjoyed the walk. So time to head home.